Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. We are running the problems cases regarding the conditional statements. If you have not watched about the conditional statements in our channel, go to the playlist and you can watch the conditional statement. Then we go for the problems. Okay, that's a better roadmap. And today our topic is about whether the given character is vowel or consonant. As we know that vowels A, E, I, O, U, which comes under the vowels, and remaining alphabets which are present, they will comes under the point of consonants. Okay, the characters or alphabets which is A, E, I, O, U will comes under the vowels, and remaining characters will comes under the consonants. Okay, just open the Eclipse and just create the class as inside the package as we created earlier. And after that, what is our vowels and consonants, and then include the main method to it and just click on finish. Okay, what is the thing we have to do? Just what is the first step we have to do? We need to create the scanner class, right? Just create the scanner class. I mean, for taking the user input dynamically, we are going to use the scanner class. Already we discussed about the scanner class in our previous class. Okay, then we are asking the user to enter the one character, right? Char ch is equals to sc dot next int, sorry, next dot character at, okay, 0. That is the first index. As we know that indexes will start from 0 and to the length -1. Okay, we discussed that in the other topic, no issue with that. Yeah, after the user enters a particular thing, like if the user enters a, right, if the user enters a character that is a, that will be stored in the ch, then we have to write the code for that. Okay, and if, okay, if character double equals to a, or okay, if the character double equals to e, or if the character double equals to I, and if the character double equals to, I mean, we are writing the condition for the vowel, say E, I, O, U. Okay, this is the condition. If the users enter data which is matching with the, this character, okay, what are the characters as user enter, if it matches with the A, E, I, O, U, then you can say that, ch plus is vowel. Okay, or else you can say that it's a consonant, right? Already we know that if else statements, if the if statement says goes under the false, and we are going to get the else concept, right, as we studied earlier. Okay, or if you want to enter, if the user enter the data of uppercase letters, what is the condition for that? In a case, we have to include, okay, if you are including here only the smaller a, smaller e, smaller I, smaller o, smaller u, in a case of that we need to include more 5 characters in a uppercase. How we will include that? Okay, we will see that. First we will run this. Okay, and if I run the code, it will ask enter the character. I was entered a, it says that it's an vowel. If I rerun the code, okay, and if I rerun the code and enters capital A, it shows that even though it's a vowel category, but it was giving the consonants because the condition you had given, it was not matching with the if, so it was by default JVM executing the else. Okay, we will correct that, just wait it. And if I enter q, what is the output? It's a consonant. Okay, and our problem is that if you are entering the alphabeticals, I mean uppercase characters, we are getting that consonant as the if statement is going false. Just take it. Okay, and just use or and then paste it. Just change the A, E, I. Just change the lowercase to the uppercase. Then it will work fine. Okay. Okay. I mean, we are running the two cases here. Okay. The first case is that it was says if the user entered data, it may be smaller case, it was matching. Or if the users enter data, it's uppercase, it was matching. Then it will print like it's a novel. Right. As we know that already we studied about the or operator. Right. As any condition, if one condition became true, okay, this is the multiple conditions, right? If the user enter any data that is AEIOU, that may be the lower or uppercase, if that enter data matches with the any one alphabet here, okay, it will become the condition became true, right? As a result, that's only the use of or operator. If you are using and operator, which is used in our previous problem, that is and, if two conditions became true, then only it will print the result as consider the result as a true, then it will print, execute the particular if or else statements. Okay, so that is the main differences between the and or operators. Already we discussed. If you have no idea, just go through our previous videos. Okay, if you have an idea, just go forward. Okay, yeah. What if I run the code? Okay, capital A, it says that Vowel as earlier limitation we had been got that, and if I enter J, it says that it's a consonant, and if I enter same J in a capital, it says that consonant, because always consonants will be the consonants, right? This is about the whether the given character is vowel or consonants. It's a simple, right? Yeah, you can also execute that by the ternary operator, but in the line of code will it will be enlarged. Okay, no issue with that. Any condition will be true as you wish. Okay, yeah, that's all about today video. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.